So I've had this thought recently that most of us feel behind in life. At least the vast majority of the society feels that way. And I tried to make something out of it because it didn't make sense to me. I was so confused because it doesn't add up statistically. So I tried to look at it. I saw how we measure progress, how we measure being ahead in life. I think many of us use these vague titles. Let me tell you why I call them vague titles and what they are. These titles can be things like a millionaire, doctor, lawyer, something professional, or state in life, or wealth status in life, or any academic status in life. It didn't make sense to me because I'll tell you with an example. Imagine there are two people. They both are pursuing this title, this goal of becoming a millionaire. The assumption here is that your goal is doable for both of them, and they both want it badly enough. Person A here has a lot of capital, has the required amount of skills it takes to become a millionaire. But he's battling depression, he's battling mental illnesses, loneliness, which impacts his performance, his progress. Person B doesn't have to struggle with mental health, he has the appropriate support system, but he does not have the working capital or the skills it takes to get to that point in life. What he does have is that he does want it badly enough, but just as badly as person B. What you'll see here is most of the cases, both of these people will take a different amount of time to get there. And I think that's because both of these may be chasing the same title of a millionaire, but they are not chasing the same title. They are not chasing the same life. At least that's what I like to call it, because if you see person A, he's becoming a millionaire while battling depression. Person B is becoming a millionaire with no capital. They both have their own struggles. They both have these variables. So I think we can look at it in this way. We can look at it life in this way. That while maybe someone gets something that we also want easier than us, but we cannot see that they are invisible variables. This also doesn't mean that it took less struggle for them. Maybe they did battle something. And even if they did not take as much struggle as it took you, it cannot be as rewarding as it is for you. I think if we look at it at this way, it probably helps. Maybe many of us look at it in a very shallow way. So I think that this way of looking at it could help you. Ultimately, I just want everyone to keep in mind that there are many invisible variables that define our progress, that define how fast we get something and how much effort it takes for us to get a place in life. Keep in mind that nobody needs to know what drawback you are facing. You don't need to go around and tell everyone that there was this drawback I was facing while trying to get this goal.